school and you?
So basically, I am a PGT English teacher at Holy Child Senior Secondary School, Tagore Garden.
Okay.
And our school is it believes in the motto always more and always better.
Okay.
So we have a strength of around 3,000 students.
Okay.
From nursery to class 12. We are affiliated to CBSE.
Okay. So I would like to ask more questions regarding the same. So how, what future plans that your school has right now, and how you are addressing them?
So basically, the world is moving at a great pace, and we at our school also believe in the same, keeping up with the pace. And with the NEP coming up, CBSE introducing so many new programs, we are also trying to keep pace with whatever is being introduced by CBSE. Recently, we had the Shiksha Saptah, which was done by our school students. We are also following the UN's mission of the SDGs, the 17 SDGs. So we at our school promote the effective, implementation of all the 17 SDGs as far as we can. We are an eco-friendly school. We do not allow any plastic in our school.
Okay.
And we also are against foil paper, anything thermocol. We use sustainable materials, and we are trying to keep up with the pace of whatever is happening. In the world around us, we try to live up to that motto, and our motto is, as I said, always more and always better.
Okay. So how you involve parents and other communities in the educational system or in the school activities?
So basically, parents, whenever we have any program, like whatever programs we have exhibitions. Last year we had our annual function. So basically, it is that time that we have, we have interactive sessions with our parents quite often, especially during the parent-teacher meetings, which are now more of PTDCs, parent-teacher-child dialogues, where we interact. We try to engage our parents also. We also had last week we also had this plant a sapling with your mother, and the children were doing it at home, and they were sending us pictures with their mothers. So we are trying to do the best that we can at our school.
Okay. And what are your future plans, and maybe you can say what future plans that you have in enhancing the learning outcome of the students?
Future plans, as I said, we are trying to live up with the pace of the school, like whatever is being ordered, or maybe whatever is happening around the world, we try to match up with those ideas and ideologies. So what I mean, it's like more of organizing events which are happening around us, like the Jal Shakti Abhiyan, which CBSE is launching, or whatever it is that happens around, whatever directions we get, keep up with those things.
Okay. Nice to hear that, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time. And what have you experienced so far with this event today?
So the event has been quite engaging and inspiring with so many new technologies. One thing that we really liked about was that the health program, which one of the companies, I forgotten the name.
They are sponsors.
So the app that they've launched for health of the students, where anonymity will be kept in mind, where students can have access to 15 online consultations. I think that was a very good thing that I felt was the different thing, apart from robotics and STEM, etc. We've been hearing quite often, but this particular thing I felt was a little off, was a little different from all the other things.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time today, that you have come here and
thank you.
You enjoyed. Okay. Thank you so much,
you
ma'am.
so much.